So welcome to the unboxing of the new Galaxy watch from Samsung. I'm quite excited about this. I like my watches, and as you can see I have the S3 Gear Frontier, but obviously this is new, and like I said, I like my watches. I got this as soon as I found it. Best price online, £299 for the 46mm watch. That's the one I like. I like bigger watches. You have two other options of this watch. And quickly, before I'm going to start wearing it, I want to open it up and have a quick look at it. And I can also show it to you guys exactly what's in the box, being that new. So undo the seals right here. I got it from Argos, but you'll also find it in John Lewis and Amazon. That's it. It comes with a bezel, rotating bezel, the same like you'd have on the Gear Frontier, and it's silver on the edges compared to the black that the Frontier has. Again, two buttons on each side, identical, and a strap that is a rubber strap right here. You can get some straps for it online. You should have the charger in the box, I would think so. Removing these two compartments, two little boxes right here. In the first one, charger, little manual for it, and I don't know what's in this little. Okay, so that's a little replacement strap, again a rubber one, probably for smaller or larger hands, or keep it as a spare. Like I said, in here is a proprietary charger that it has, very similar to the one that the Frontier Gear 3S has. You just place the watch in here. It is magnetic, and it's going to charge, but you need a power cable on this little port. And on this other side right here, I'm bringing this little bag out. I have no idea what's in it. Alright, it's just a little Samsung original charger, micro USB on this side to connect to the watch charger, but you can use any other cables for it. That's what I'm using. I'm not using this. I have my own cables. Compared to the previous S3 Gear, this has a longer battery life. It's also waterproof. It's down to 50 meters, so you can use it for swimming and all that. It has many more sensors for fitness apps and all that, and well, altogether it's a new watch. It's probably better and than the Gear S3. That was it. I'm not gonna review the rest of it now until I see how much the battery is gonna last and everything else. You can find a lot of features and specifications online about this Galaxy watch from Samsung. I'm gonna get it charged now, and basically let's see if it has any battery. Anyway, press this lower button to turn on. The Galaxy watch logo comes on, and I'm going to set it up and pair it with my phone. Actually, let's see if it has any battery, and see how the connection with the phone is going to happen. I'm using my S8. Okay, I have the welcome message on the Galaxy watch, right here, and download the wearable app on the phone to pair and your phone. I already have obviously my Galaxy Wearable app on the phone right here. I'm just going to start it up and okay, go to the Samsung folder, Galaxy Wearable. Okay, I'm going to go to gear connection, which is on. Okay, do I have, okay, connect new gear. I go to the three dots, connect gear, and I have available device, Galaxy Watch right here. Press on it and it is connecting. Now we have to pair it up. I have a passkey on the phone, I have also a passkey on the watch right here. I'm just gonna say OK, and the tick button here, check your phone to complete setup. It's preparing to connect right now at 50%, 80, 100. Setting up the phone. I would guess right now that you should install all the apps and everything that I have on the Gear 3 Frontier. I'll give it a little bit of time and see how long does it take. Okay, pairing is underway now. It took a couple of minutes for the phone to set up. Give that some time. I'll have to accept and agree to all terms and conditions right here. Press next, and it's searching for backup data in my Samsung account to restore it. This might take a while, that's what I have on my screen, but on here it says let's go, and turn clockwise, turn the other way, turn again, and this is the back key, and there's the home key. Almost there. Swipe down, cover and touch with your palm, so I'll just do the little setups. Try again. That's it. All done. And this is it. It is connected, and I'm going to obviously start wearing it now, change the faces, do my apps, my widgets and everything else.